Hi folks, I wonder why you can't find these anymore, okay? This one right here is a Toastmaster, and this one is a Hamilton Beach. Oh, you can find these, 1100 watts. This is a 550 watt, and this is a 750 watts. Check it out. Here's the 500 watt. Listen at the generator outside. That's it. Now let's listen to the 750. Hear that? Yeah. I'm not even going to hook up the 1100 watts because no. If you're running on an inverter or something like that, you can use either one of these, no problem. 750 watts, 800, 1000, there you go.